Otherwise, we'll just move on right now. And what we're going to do now is learn how to create the frequently asked questions page for our online store with WordPress. And you can see right here, we're just adding a few different sections with some questions and answers. So if you want to do that right now, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and let's add a new page. So hover over new and click on page. And once you're on the add new page, all you're going to do is type in your page title right here. So I typed in frequently asked questions, and once it saves, you should see the permalink right here. And I'm going to edit this. So I'm just going to change it to FAQ. And once I save that, what we can do is turn on the backend editor. And now let's add a row for our questions and answers. So click on the plus button and click on add row. And I'm going to split this row in half. So I'll hover over this and click on 1/2 plus 1/2. And we're just going to add some text blocks here to put in our questions and answers. So I'll click on the plus button right here and find the text block. Click on that. And once you get this pop up, we can just delete this text. And I'll go to the demo e-commerce website and just copy this text right here just to save some time. And then I'm going to paste that in right here. And if you need to, you can always edit the text. So my first line for the questions is bold, and then I just have normal text down here. And then once you're ready, just click Save Changes. And if you want, you can add another text block right here, or you can hover over this. And if you click on this icon right here, it's going to duplicate this. And then I can just click and drag this over here. So I can go in here and edit these questions a little bit later. But since we're just making a demo page here, I want to go a little quicker to save some time. So at the bottom over here, what I'm going to do is add an empty space widget. So I'll go in here and just click on this. And once the settings pop up, I'll just change this to 16px and click Save Changes. And then we can add a new row at the bottom over here. And let's split this in half again. And then we can add some more text blocks right here. So I'll just go in here and click on this. And again, I'll just paste in the dummy text right here. And then again, we can go in here and just duplicate this and drag this over just to save some time. And then you can do this over and over again to add as many different questions and answers as you want. And just make sure that you add the empty space each time that you separate a row. But if you're at the bottom over here and you don't have any more questions, you don't need to add another empty space. There should be enough padding before your footer. Okay, so creating the frequently asked questions page is pretty quick and easy. So if you want, you can pause the video and fill all of these sections out. And then once you're ready, all you have to do is click on the publish button. And once the WordPress page loads, this is what you should see for your FAQ page. And we'll add the footer a little bit later and also our header menu. So there are some things that we haven't done yet, but if you're ready, we can just move on to the next step.